Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Boy, do I have a treat for you. Today we're going to make Nutella.
Whole food plant-based, it's the best thing for our taste. So pull up a chair and grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Okay, so we're just going to get started. This is a super simple, great recipe. I've got 1 3/4 cups of raw unsalted cashews. And I've got 2 tablespoons of hazelnuts, about 1 cup of medjool dates, or 9 medjool dates, 8 or 9, just kind of depends on their size. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, or you can use any plant milk of your choosing. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And if you don't have liquid vanilla extract, you can use powdered vanilla or vanilla bean. Okay, we're just gonna blend this up until it's nice and smooth. And if you don't have a high-speed or a high-powered blender, you can use a NutriBullet or a Magic Bullet. They'll work just fine, but you might want to soak your cashews a little bit, maybe for a couple hours before you do this, so that you ensure that it's nice and smooth and creamy. And do you know what I forgot to put in there? This magic ingredient, the chocolate. So, 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now we're ready to blend. Wow, would you look at that creamy goodness? And I've got to taste it right now. So I'm just gonna have it on a slice of apple right here. But I also use this if you want to look ahead to my chocolate cake recipe. I use Nutella as the frosting, but you can use it on toast or fruit, or on a spoon. So delicious. So be sure to subscribe so that you can check out all the rest of my wonderful recipes on the website. And I'll see you next time.